Hello guys, good morning everyone. With this video, let us try to understand the role of data science, data scientist and the machine learning is going to play in next 2 years or 3 years going down the line, not only in India, but in the overall global perspective. So I have few points in my mind based on the recent trends, what I could figure so far. Number one, the way the data is getting created so far with the evolution of the internet of the things, where multiple devices, be it the electronical or the other hardware devices, are getting connected with the internets, which are anyhow getting the data generated, or maybe the offline sources of the data generated with the sensors data, with the wearable device in the form of the shoes, t-shirts, the bags, solar panels, cars, every moving object, be it the applications we are using in our mobiles, are anyhow going to generate the data, which is going to be enormous voluminous data, maybe audio or a video data. So point is, like, as of now we have been playing and analyzing the data which has been the structured data. When I say structured data, you can consider it like their data which is they are being already captured and stored on Oracle and SQL, which is very much in a tabular form. But in the future format, we are anyhow going to use the unstructured form of the data, which is going to be text data, log data, audio, video, image data, being generated by the one which I told you in the form of the electronic devices, internet of the things, wearable devices, sensors data may be getting generated offline round the clock. So with that humongous pile of the data, we need to anyhow have a pool of the data scientists or the data enthusiasts who can leverage that data and can generate the interpretation and eventually the decision making abilities out of that. Hope this information will help you to identify the scope of data science in future perspective. For anything related to the similar content or context, kindly drop your comment in the below section, or maybe for other videos which you would like to get us prepared for your further interest. We would try to have same videos as per your likings and interest being piped up accordingly. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead. Enjoy. Happy learning.